Hurricane Katrina was a disastrous event.
Many businesses and individuals' homes were destroyed. In addition to that, many people were displaced.
When an insured is displaced from a catastrophe event, the Xactware products help us respond to the insured's needs when they don't have a place to live any longer.
Everything at Louisiana Citizens is focused on catastrophe preparedness. That's what we're in business to do. We provide coverage on residential and commercial policies when individuals can't get that coverage from other insurance companies.
Worley handles catastrophe claims for Louisiana citizens from first notice of loss through assignment to adjuster, inspection of claims in the field.
What that means for Worley is that we would be responsible for managing the claims that were associated in any type of a catastrophe event.
During Katrina, it was very difficult to manage the IAs and the independent adjusting firms. We would send an email or a fax to the independent adjusting company to get the assignment out, but we had to literally manually track the assignments on a spreadsheet. With 68,000 claims, given the volume, that was a very difficult task.
We didn't have a common estimating platform. All of our adjusters were using different estimating systems. We didn't have a system that would track the assignments that we made to adjusters, much less the activity that they were conducting in the field. So we basically didn't have any control over the claims process during Katrina. By utilizing the Xactware products, we've been able to overcome a lot of those issues.
We were able to do everything electronically in terms of transmitting the assignment and getting information back from the IAs in a timely manner. The one thing that I love about XactAnalysis is that it's a management tool, and we were able to capture dates and times of inspections real time.
XactAnalysis is what we call a collaboration hub. It not only pulls the information together from all of the products that we're using, but it allows us to effectively communicate with our internal staff and external field adjusters. We are able to bundle the claim, send it to the independent adjusting firm.
It's immediately entered into our queue, and at that point we assign it. So there's no delay in us receiving a claim from an insured, which everyone at any time can visualize or go in and read exactly what's happened in that claim. They could see the notes that the adjuster had input into the system. They could see the photos of the actual risk or the damage that's associated with the loss.
But then it also allowed us to set alerts so that if we were nearing the time where that adjuster did not make contact or complete the inspection according to our standards or our expectations, we were able to follow up with that adjuster to make sure or find out why it wasn't done or to get it reassigned if necessary so that we could meet our statutory requirements.
A lot of training and preparation must take place prior to an event happening. One of the greatest benefits of the Xactware tools is that it allows us to establish file standards today, pre-event. Of course, what this translates to is efficiencies in reaching customers and delivering the service that the customers need at that time. Xactware products provided the bridge between Louisiana Citizens and Worley to allow for consistent communication and rapid response to their customers.
The benefit of using Xactware products is that we're able to respond to a policyholder in a more timely manner. We're able to receive their claim, assign their claim to an adjuster, get someone out there as quickly as possible to start the process of getting them back on their feet.